Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change default messaging app on Samsung Galaxy A54. So, on your Samsung Galaxy devices, you have the Google Messages application, and then you have the Samsung Messaging app. So here, if you want to change or set default messaging app on the Samsung Galaxy A54, then here's a video for you. So the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings application on your Samsung A54 5G. Scroll down, just keep scrolling. Locate and click on apps. Once you selected apps, choose default apps. Now, under default apps, locate SMS app and then click on it. Then the messages app with 3 dots is the Samsung Galaxy A54 messages app, and the one without 3 dots is the Google Messages app. Now, for you to change default messaging app on Samsung Galaxy A54, you want to choose between the two. So whichever one you choose will be set as your default messaging app. So in this case, I'm going to use the Google Messages app as my default. So just go ahead and click on the Google Messages app icon. And then you are set. Now to confirm that you've successfully set your default messages app on your Samsung Galaxy A54, all you need to do is go ahead and open the messaging app. Then you should see the messaging app opens like this. However, if you choose to open another one, let's say you choose to open the Samsung messaging app, you'll be prompted to set the Samsung messaging app as a default. As you can see, Google Messages is not your default messaging app. So you can easily continue with Samsung Messages app to set it as default. So that's exactly how to change default messaging app on Samsung Galaxy A54. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.